Globus Gates representing Alumaglobus wall cladding aluminum. First guys in California. Very exciting news. Now check this out. There's our wall. We took the molding off. We're going to show you later how we do the outlets. Very clean and very easy. We're going to be using the Click 40 this time. This is our click channel, which is going to be placed on the wall like this. And this is our profile that we're going to be using. You're going to see very soon. Very basic tools needed, a stud finder and some basic tools. Two screws are depending on your surface. Very easy. No need those special force SpaceX installers that with all the wood and the corners and make us a very big hassle day. Very quick, you can do it yourself. Stay tuned. We're going into the factory to start cutting the parts. All right, after you measured your wall size, you can take a hair off because it's not going to be matter. It's going to be covered by the aluminum cladding. We are now cutting your click channels. Basic saw, that's all you need. Stay tuned. Important to get the first click channel very level because this is going to be the face. This is going to basically take the rhythm of the profiles later on. So you want this piece to be very level, super basic. No need to be an engineer. All right, so we got the channels ready and level. You screwed it into the studs. Your job is done. All you need to do now is to click the profile just like this on the click channels. And your job is done within 30 minutes. If I had to do this from wood, I'll have to be a professional carpenter to know how to work with wood, know how to do nice cuts, very special equipment, paint it, oil it, a lot of problems. Talking about the composite wall cladding, that can warp. It can also give you some chemicals from the heat, and it's not fireproof. This material is completely 100% fireproof. All right, guys, so we're almost done. We got all the click channels up. Now all needs to be done is to put the black U channel in between to get that nice finish, and your L here to hide all the cuts and the wall is not even. You can also do it on the sides and on the bottom. At this point, we came out pretty cool right here and pretty cool there, so I'm just gonna do it on the top and the U channels in between. All right, we'll show you the end result in a couple minutes.